Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We'll go to the heavy madare.
After a heavy,
We have done normal madare, light madare, lighter madare, and where we are.
the lighter mazara should be after the lunch, heavier should be before. You are doing opposite. So,
Heavy is when you add a noon with sukoon at the end of madare.
heavy mazara.
Yansurran.
Yansuran.
Yansuran. He'll certainly help. Yansuru, he'll help. Yansuran, he'll certainly help. Now, when you have this, you have certainly have the four others. Tansuran, Tansuran, what should I write here? Ansuran. Ansuran and Nansuran. It's hardly used, but definitely it's one.
This is the heavy, right?
Yeah, it's heavy. Muakkad, emphasized with noon. You know, the plural of this will be simply Yansurun. The only difference between singular and plural of masculine would be Fatha here and Dhamma here. Yansurun. And Tansuran and Tansurun. 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 And this will be Tansurin. You are tired of it, so they are doing a favor to you. So, Yansuran, Yansurun, Tansuran, Tansuran, Tansurun, Tansurin, Ansuran, Nansuran. That's all. This form is used to emphasize the act of the verb. Yansurun, Yansuru, he will help. Yansuran, he will certainly help. Yansurun, Yansuruna, they will help. Yansurna, Yansurun, they will certainly help. Tansuran, she will certainly help. Tansuran, you will certainly help. Tansurin, you will certainly help. Tansurun, you all will certainly help. Ansuran, I will certainly help. Nansuran will certainly help. Now we come to the heavier form. All these with sukoon will turn to noon mushaddad and fatha. Yansuranna, tansuranna, tansuranna, tansurinna, tansuranna, and nansuranna. And this is very commonly used in the Quran, along with another lam of for emphasis. So 3 steps of emphasis. One with single noon, the other with double noon, and then wala udkhilannahum jannatin tajri min tahtiha al-anhar. This is the one. And about those which don't exist, we'll come back. Yansu Rani the mud here. That is the stretching of the under Tajweed Qaida, that whenever there is the Tashdeed preceded by a harful mud, alif, so it will become stretched 5 times. Yansurani bilad dallin, like bilad dallin. And tansurani, there will be ikhfa of the noon also. You know, sir? Yes, you know, जो स्वाद सूरज सफ दी आखिरी आज पढ़न जांदा ना, ਉਹਦੇ ਗੁੰਨੇ ਮੱਧਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਇੰਤਹਾ ਹੋਈ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਯਾ ਅਯੁਹੱਲਜ਼ੀਨਾ ਆਮਨੂ ਕੂਨੂ ਅਨਸਾਰ ਅੱਲਾਹ ਪੜ੍ਹੋ ਜ਼ਰਾ
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا أنصار الله كما قال عيسى ابن مريم للحواريين من أنصاري إلى الله قال الحواريون نحن أنصار الله فآمنت طائفة من بني إسرائيل وكفرت طائفة فأيدنا
الذين آمنوا على عدوهم فأصبحوا ظاهرين. ما شاء الله.
Is there a shadda on the dash when you send that?
Yes. On all musanna, there will be tashdeed.
No, on the dash, first letter.
No. Sorry. Oh, thank you. Sorry.
فتح على الجزم
Tansurani, and then with the sukoon of noon it was not possible. Now this noon of the feminine plural form, it will remain there and it will allow a noon with tashdid at the end. So this will be Yansurni. Nani yaad aa jayegi. Yansurni and Tansurnani. So, and this is very frequently used in the Quran, especially for the promises done by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah knew that we are not going to trust him. But Allah makes maximum emphasis on that description, that those who work for me, وَلَنُحْيِيَنَّهُ حَيَاةً طَيِّبَةً, we would indeed certainly bless them with a nice living. وَلَأُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ, I will certainly admit them into the gardens beneath which rivers flow. Heavy madar, heavier madare.
This is heavier.
Heavier.
First one was the heavier.
Heavy madare. This is heavier madare. Parts of the body. One thing I told you, that in Arabic the paired organs are feminine and the
Volunteer.
single ones are masculine. So
The other ones.
so okay, start from above. Ra'sun is head. Plural ru'usun.
رؤوس الشياطين.
Ru'usu shayateen. Vamsahu bi ru'usikum wa arjulakum.
Trick.
Ra'sun, plural ru'usun, head. Then come down. Ainun is eye. Ainun is an eye. Plural uyunun and ayunun. Uyunun and other is ayunun. Ainun is a spring also. Same word. You know, the common thing in both is that our eyes also shed tears, and so does the spring shed water. Ainun, an eye, and ayunun or uyunun are eyes. For Musanna, you have the universal rule ainani, ainaini. So I don't have to tell about that. Then udunun. Udunun. Ear. Plural adanun. Adanun.
والأذن بالأذن.
Then nose is anfun. Nose. Do you have dictionary in the office? Arabic dictionary?
In the library? Maybe we.
Okay. See, check in the dictionary, but singular is there. I don't remember this plural. I think anaf. Anafun. No, there are broken plurals. No rule. Oh, you have some book? Then famun, mouth is famun. We have already read that in the 6 special nouns. Famun, mouth. Famun is a mouth and plural is afwahun. Lip is a shafatun. A lip is shafatun. A lip. What's the plural? Again, I don't remember. I think it's not used in the Quran, so I don't remember that. But Musanna has been mentioned in the Quran, Shafataini. Alam najal lahu aynayn wa lisanam wa shafatayn. Then lisanun. But our scope is to read Quran. It would be written in the Quran, you will recognize, inshallah, that is the plural of lisanun. A tongue. Al-sinatun. Plural is al-sinatun. Al-sinatun. Then throat. Throat, hulqumun. Hulqumun. Throat. Throat. Neck. Neck. Raqabatun. जी या किनु उनको कहते हैं ठीक है रकाबतुन रकाबतुन और उनुकुन या कोई neck plural anaqun فوق الأعناق. Then shoulder is katifun. Katifun, shoulder.
How many root letters in throat? Four
Root letters. Wow is
That's one.
additional. Yeah. Rubai.
Hala, qaf.
Katifun, shoulder. Sadrun is chest. Sadrun. Plural sudurun. إنها لا تعمل أبصار ولكن تعمل قلوب التي في الصدور. صدور. Sudurun. Belly is batanun. Butunun, bellies. Is EY belly or LY, double LY? Correct? Okay. Batanun, butunun. Butunun is the plural. Fakhidun is thigh. Fakhidun is thigh. THY thigh? IE thigh. IE. Oh, yes. THI? Oh, yes. Thigh. Then you have saq, lower leg. La. Ka'bun, ankle. Ankle.
Ka'bun?
Yeah. Musanna Ka'bain. Waghsilu arjulakum ilal Ka'bain. Then rijlun is foot. Rijlun is foot and rajulun is man. Plural is arjulun. Why man is rajulun?
Because he has rijl.
He has his own footing. He is the head of the family. He stands on his own.
Maybe some auntie's head.
Plural is, he said, Arjulun.
Yeah, arjulun. When it is rajulun, that is rijalun.
Just you can connect jim because it's confusing.
Here.
Jim, yeah. To connect Jim properly, it seems to be the
Arjulun.
Jazakallah.
Then come to the hands. Adudun. Arm. Adudun. Ain, Dad and Dal. Adudun. Arm. Mirfaqatun is elbow. Elbow. Mirfaqatun ilal marafiq. Faghsilu aydiyakum ilal marafiq in wudu. Wash your hands until your elbows. And yadun is hand. Plural ID. Wajhun. Face is wajhun. Thank you.
What's wuju? What about jinn?
Yeah.
The whole body.
Wajhun, face. And faces are wujuhun. Wujuhun yawma izin. Wujuhun. Faces. Sinnun tooth. Sinnun is a tooth. Plural asnanun. Sinnun is a tooth and plural is asnanun. Ji?
अंग्रेजी दी आते हैं ना लाए
अच्छा.
मैंने तो जरा बाहर आने में दसा मां
Asnanun. Isba'un is a finger. Asabi'a, plural. Yajaluna asabi'ahum fi adanihim. Asabi'u. I have not written asabi'un. Why? This is an indication that this is ghair munsarif, partly cooperative. Rukbatun, knee.
ظهر ظهر कमर ظهر
Kamar is why नहीं देखे?
على ظهورهم على سامعهم
Zahar is the whole back.
ظهر الفساد नहीं वो तो ظهر आ
हाँ
गया
जी.
على ظهورهم
हाँ.
يحملون على ظهورهم
Zahar is back. Zahrun is the back, and plural is zuhurun and azhurun. Zuhurun and azhurun. Zuhurun and azhurun. Another word for the back in the Surah Taha. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa ahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli waj'al li waziran min ahli Haruna akhi ashdud bihi azri. Azrun is also loin. Azrun, back. Here, this is fatha, this is sukoon, and this is double dhamma, and this is zuhurun. Dhamma, dhamma, sukoon, and double dhamma.
not every
Common word used for the private in the Quran very often, so we should learn too. That is farjun. Farj basically means a weak point. You know, a building, it has a crack. It will be known as farj. So since farj is the weak point of man, weakest point of man, so the same word has been used in Arabic for the private, farjun. Plural furujun. Farjun singular and plural furujun.
What's the word? What's the translation? What word is this?
Pardon?
For what? Oh,
And the rule for will follow here. Remember, very important. Since this is not in pair, so this is masculine even in the case of female. Male's private as well as female's private will be treated as masculine because it is single, not in pair. Another important thing which we must learn as Arabic students of Quran, ahadun, one. Now counting. How many times remaining?
2 minutes.
Ahadun, one. Feminine is ihda. Ihda. One. Masculine is ahadun and one feminine is ihda. Again, see how gender conscious are they.
Okay, how would you use the two? Like,
I don't understand
how
you.
would you give a feminine gender? Ahed.
In case if you say one,
You know, if the object whom I want to say one pen, qalam is masculine, so I'll say qalamun ahadun, right? But if it is a sayyara, car, it is feminine, I'll have to say, go, I'll come to tell you later on. It's a very funny thing in Arabic. For first two, for masculine object, feminine form will be used, and for feminine object, masculine form will be used. This is most funny. But in principle, the gender specification is there. So ahadun, one. Itnani. Itnani. Two. Feminine would be itnatani. Itnatani. मजबूरन में से प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं, स्वाद नहीं आ रहा है वैसे में.
You are allowed, sir.
Itnani, itnatani. Then
आपको सब योगी ने
Thalathun, Thalathun and Thalathatun.
and masculine, feminine, okay?
Yeah. Thalathatun. Arbaun, Arbaatun. Arbaun, four. Feminine, Arbaatun. Arbaun, four. Feminine, Arbaatun. Khamsatun, Khamsun and Khamsatun. Khamsun and Khamsatun. Five. Khamsatun. Then Sittun and Sittatun. Sittun, six, feminine, Sittatun. Sittun and Sittatun. Then Sab'un and Sab'atun. Sab'un or feminine sab'atun. Then thaminun and thaminatun. Sorry, samanun, thamanun and thamaniyatun. Thamanun and thamaniyatun. Tis'un and tis'atun. Tis'un and tis'atun, 9. And then ashrun and asharatun. It is both. Ashratun and asharatun. Sorry, Maslum would be ashrun. Asharun or ashrun, it is for 10. 11 ahada ashara. The same now, like English. There is no 11, 12, like 21, 22, 23. Ahada ashara, isnana ashara, asana ashara, then salasata ashara, like this it will continue. And then 20 will be tis'una. Sorry, ishruna, I'm sorry. 20 is ishruna. Since it is a regular plural shape, so ishruna, ishrina. Rafa form will be ishruna and nasab and jar form will be ishrina. Ishruna, 20, same as ishrina. Then thalathuna, and thalathina. Thalathuna, 30. Then arba'una, 40. Then khamsuna. Do the same. They will become converted. 2 to 20, 3 to 30, 4 to 40 and 5 to 50, like this. Khamsuna, then sittuna, sittina. Sittuna, 60. Sab'una, 70. Samanuna or Samanina, 80. Tis'una,
I'm trying to catch up. I'm at 8. I'm looking for 9 now. I can't find it.
Tis'una, 90. And Miyatun. Mia, 100. And Alpha, Alfun, 1000, and nothing beyond that. When Arabic was found, there was no figure after 1000. Now they have million and billion, so they have adopted English words, million, billion, and 100,000 is Mia, Alpha Mia, or Alpha Alpha, that is 1 million, technically speaking. But now they have adopted the English words to Arabizing them. Million is million, billion is billion.
Alaf is used.
Huh?
ثلاثة آلاف من الملائكة.
No, Alf is the last figure, but Beyond that, there is no other word. Khamseen alpha is also there.
Alf is there, even then is alf. Lekin alaf mawjood hai.
Alaf is there. Yeah. Nisfun. Half. Sorry. 1/2. Nisfun, half. Nisfun. 1/3. 1/3. Sulusun.
والثلث كثير.
Sulusun. 1/3. Rubu'un. No, the principle is all having dhamma. Thuluthun, rubu'un, khumusun, sudusun, like this. Rubu'un, 1/4. Khumusun, 1/5. Sudusun, 1/6. Subu'un, 1/7. Thumunun, 1/8. Tusu'un, 1/9. And ushurun, 1/10.
Sheen has a spoon.
No, ushurun. सब इक्वल वजन रहेगा ना? Ushurun,
So this one is 1/6.
1/6.
6, yeah. That is 1/6.
It's a different word.
That is a different word, yes.
It's Arabic, man.
All others are derived, but this one is a separate word. Sudusun. No, sorry. 1/6 Sudusun. Which one? 1/8? Thumunun. Ta, Mim, Noon. But the harakat being same, all having dhamma. Rubu'un, khumusun, thuluthun, subu'un, thumunun, tusu'un, like this. Yeah, all these figures you have to find in the ahkam of virasa. Here, sifrun is 0.
It's a very important digit within Bible.
0.
Its plural is asfar.
Okay, so asfar is plural. First, awwalu. Awwalu is first.
والأول والآخر والآخر.
Then, opposing that, there are two words. One is akhiru. Awwalu, akhiru. Akhiru is the last. And the other opposite of awwalu is the other. First, on first hand, on one hand, and then when you say on the other hand, then you say akharu, not akhiru. Akharu is the other. Second are other, but second in the meanings of other, opposite to awwalu. The other second is sani. Awwalu and feminine is ula. The gender specification is not going to leave you alone. It will go with you, inshallah. Awwalu, feminine is ula. Second is a thani. 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 And feminine will be saniyatun. Thaniyatun. This is second. Thalith is third. Thalith is third. And obviously feminine will be thalithatun. Rabi'un is fourth. And Rabi'atun is the feminine fourth. Then you have Khamisatun. Khamisun and Khamisatun, fifth. Then you have Sadisun and Sadisatun. Sadisun, seventh. And then Thaminatun, Saminun and Thaminatun. Oh, sorry. Sabi'un and Sabi'atun. Sorry, this was sixth. Sadisun was sixth, and Sabi'un is seventh. Make a correction here. I wrote wrong. Tasi'un and it is ninth, and Tasiyatun. And Ashirun.
You missed 8. You missed the 8.
Oh, sorry. Thaminun and Thaminatun is 8. And Tasiun and Tasiyatun is 9. And Ashirun and Ashiratun. Eleven will be Hadi Ashar. Hadi Ashar. 11th.
Is that tenth is Ashira?
Yeah.
Ashira.
Ashirun and Ashiratu.
First Ashirun, then Ashira. You didn't write Ashir basically.
Yeah.